check for advanced restart button. There is advanced restart button in this ROM. You can use this to boot into recovery. If you don't have that, then you can follow the traditional method of booting into recovery by pressing the volume up button and power button simultaneously. And all the links to the firmware and this latest TWRP recovery I already posted in community section. Always do check out the community section. There I will be sharing a lot more information regarding these ROMs, and even I'll conduct polls. Participate in that. Here we go. This is the latest TWRP available for Poco X3. Go to wipe section and select here advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. Go to home section again and select install and select storage here wherever you downloaded the ROM zip files. I'm here selecting micro SD card. Go to download section and select the firmware always 12.5.5.0 Surya Global. Flash the firmware always first. Then go to home section again and select install and select a ROM zip file. In this video I am going to show you this project Arcana 6.0 latest available build for Poco X3. Flash this ROM. As you can see, 2022-4.5 with April security patch, April 6th build. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see, the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully. Go to home section here again and select wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Done. Go to home section and again select reboot to system. This is how the flashing method for project Arcana latest build for Poco X3. Follow the same method, use same recovery, same firmware and same ROM zip file. Then you will never face any problems. In this video we are going to explain in detail about this ROM, what are the bugs, features, BGMI gameplay, especially in SANOC and even TDM, and also battery life. Everything will be explained in detail. Stay tuned till the end of the video. And here we go, it's booting into project Arcana. Let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SAMFX YouTube channel, and this is a Poco X3 with this Arcana project Arcana Fair 6.0 Surya and community. You can see here the maintainer name and Android version 12.1 with 5th April 2022 latest security patch available for any Android system, and kernel user is 4.14.274 Ceylon T Shin Obu kernel has been used. You can read here, and the build number you can see here, and the build date is latest one of April 6th. And I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes 4 seconds and 5 milliseconds, and you can see here the maximum is 149 and average is 143 and minimum is 76, which is good. Initially it was like I rebooted my smartphone and started the test, hence it was a little bit red in color, but anyhow I don't believe in these apps, but it will give an idea, that's all. And let's see into this is like OnePlus style they have implemented. You can do it manually also. As you can see, even the quick settings panel are also small enough, and you get some of the options. If you want to edit them further, you can add here by dragging one. For example, I'll show you like this. It's same, but Android 12 look has been changed a little bit, and power button you get all these things, and advanced restart button is also available in this ROM. And regarding dialer, okay, let me increase a little bit of volume whenever I dial. Okay, there is direct video call feature is available in this ROM, no problem regarding that, and call recording is there. The other person will not notify that you are recording call, that's fine. Many people like this kind of ROMs. And coming into, as you can see, this is how the Android 12.1 style. It takes a little bit of time. It depends upon your network connection or Wi-Fi connection, whatever it is. Into the widgets, press this OK. and there is no option here. That's what I noticed in Sear Droid also. What I should do, I don't know, to get that widgets. And home settings, you get Pixel Launcher as a pre-installed launcher in this project Arcana. Latest build it is, and at a glance, notification dots, search here from allow home screen rotation. You can read here about section. As you can see, app info, it's Pixel Launcher as a pre-installed launcher. Now seeing the benchmark results in this ROM, it's pretty good. As you can see, it's 3,50,921, and temperature raise was also very less, 0.3 degrees Celsius, and 2% of battery drain has been noticed during this AnTuTu benchmark testing. Let me uninstall this because it continuously runs in the background. It makes a little bit bad experience while playing BGMI, so I'm uninstalled it. And coming to Geekbench scores, here also it's pretty good. Single score is 548 and multi score is 1636, and the kernel used here is Linux 4.14.274 Ceylon T Shenbo kernel has been used. That's how it is. I already spoken about that. And camera application, you get Google Go camera as pre-installed here, and also some other camera. For basic things you can use this one. Video also you can take this, and there is one more camera application has been pre-installed. As you can see here also basic things you can do. Into settings, some of the options, as you can see, up to 4K you can record videos from this camera application. But you know guys, if you want to use ultra wide angle, that those kind of apps, then you can, I mean ultra wide angle, those features you want to use like astrophotography, then you need to use Gcam ports. I already suggested one, many people using that. And into the safety net status, here we go, it's get filled. You need to manually pause the safety net status in order to use banking applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, whatever it is. That's how it is. And Google Chrome was not opening. Suddenly it uninstalled itself. I don't know why it happened. Let's try again. Chrome. Also you can judge the speeds here. As you can see, it's pretty good. That's how it is. Little bit bugs here and there will be there, like Google Chrome has been pre-installed before. Now as you can see, it's getting keep stopping. That's how it is. That is the one bug I have noticed in this ROM as of now. It's minor bug, you can fix it. And next let me go into settings. Before that I already shown this, and screen recording options, you get both device audio and microphone, and 6x6 pattern is also available. Many people ask about that, hence I included. And let's see first charging and discharging animation, what we get actually. Okay, it's showing charging slowly only. That's how it is. It won't support fast charging maybe. If at all you guys know how to get that. Some people told me that if you turn off your smartphone and use this 33 watt charger, then it's getting charged fastly, but I don't recommend that. That's how it is. And let's go into settings and see what all the customization available. Into device theming, you get monitor engine, use custom color option is there, but there is an option of use black theme. That's how it is. I'll turn it off, and there is options you can adjust white luminance and chroma factor from here. Vivid colors or options are given, and settings layout, there are plenty of options. As you can see, AOSP, Oxygen OS 11, micro G apps, and micro G apps. Oxygen OS 12, let me keep this settings layout. It takes a restart. Okay, that's how guys it looks like Oxygen OS. Do comment down in the comment section below. And into extras you get, this is very important, you need to enable this manually in order to get unlimited photo storage in Google Photos application. You need to manually enable this. Also higher FPS in games, you need to enable this, then only you will get up to 90 FPS in smooth settings and unlock higher quality streams. That you can read here. And game space, enable this, you get these kind of options. You can disable swipe gestures, answer calls automatically, no ringing. You can use this as a gaming mode also. Let me add app here. No, there is no option to add app. That's how it is. And this is very important. You need to enable, then only you'll get options unlocked. And lock screen, you get pulse music virtualizer. Here gravity, you can change your vertical mirror, center mirror, and turn on smoothing. You can enable or disable from here. Lava lamp is also given. You can adjust furthermore for that particular lava lamp, and rounded corners are also given. Opacity count and sanity level you can increase or decrease from here. And ambient edge lighting, always on display, and color mode. Plenty of options you can check out from here. Into notification settings, you get reticker, source notification count, artwork, media background is given. Again, there is options for that media artwork. Into quick settings, you get brightness slider and position and auto brightness icon. Minimum, not a huge customization here. And into status bar, you get battery styles, just 3 or 4 you get, not plenty. And clock and date, you can adjust and set them from here. And location settings and display mode, camera, mic, access indicator, like these things you can disable them if you don't want them to be have there. And location access indicator and status bar icons, as you can see it reboots again. Okay, use old style mobile data icons is given. Logo, there is option to enable that, you can see. I hope, as you can see, the font also a little bit smaller like that, not thick enough, so adjust this video. Use accent color, these options are given, and you can position them, and you can even choose the styles. Print are given here, you can adjust from here. That's how it is. And camera, mic, access I explained. And coming into system, here you get volume steps and Arcana idle manager is given. If and you can enable that. Enable Google services. Okay, if you enable this, let me see now. And swipe to screenshot option is also given. As you can see, now the Chrome has been pre-installed here, as you can see. That's how it is. That's how it is. You need to enable that from here. You need to enable from here that Arcana idle manager and enable Google services, then only you will get the option of Chrome. And let me see the safety net status again. Run the test. It might get passed now. No, you need to manually pass that. Just to get the Google apps, you need to enable from there. Let me go back again. Swipe to screenshot is given. And vibrate on connect, call waiting, disconnect, you can enable or disable from here. These are the Grimoire, the customization available in this project Arcana. As you can see, now the settings panel is exactly like Oxygen OS 12. And into display settings, you get adaptive brightness, which is working fine. Extra dim feature is given. And into dark mode, I really don't like this kind of dark mode. As you can see, so is it in pitch black condition? Yes, it's in pitch black condition. Okay, that's good, not bad. As you can see, it's in pitch black condition. That's fine enough. But there is no option to keep it as a pitch black or some of the presets. That's fine. Okay. And font size is given, and you can adjust the smallest width and night light feature also. You can schedule them. And colors, by default it kept to adaptive. Keep it boosted. It looks a little bit vibrant. And minimum maximum refresh rate and low power refresh rate. Per app refresh rate is not given in this ROM, that you need to keep in mind. And pocket detection, prevent accidental wake up. If you want, you can enable or disable from here. Full screen apps, whichever app you feel that isn't playing in full screen, you can enable from here. Ambient display options here also available. It's working fine. LCD features are also given. This is all the display settings. And wallpapers and style, change wallpaper. You get all the Android 12 latest available wallpapers from here. And basic colors, these things are working fine. App grid, themed icons and dark theme you can choose from here. Coming into apps, here you get default apps. If you want to change any default app like phone app to Truecaller like that, you can change from here. Print of options, even game settings is available. And special app access, you can see picture in picture mode, Wi-Fi control, everything you can adjust from here for certain apps. And battery usage, it hasn't recorded, but it's fine enough. You can see it was around 90% at the start of this video. It's now 79%, which is good. I set up the device and I run the benchmark results, and I downloaded BGMI like that. It took this much time, and it's fine. 79%, it was like 90%, so I can easily say it's very good battery life. And sound and vibration, you can see here, you can enable or disable from here. And direct sound settings like Me Sound Enhancer, it's available, you can enable from the here. You can choose the headphone type and preset from here. Clear speaker option is given, and haptic feedback level you can adjust from here. This is really very good in this particular ROM. This is all the customization available. And security settings, you get face unlock and fingerprint unlock, and even the app locker is also given in this ROM. That's not a problem. And accessibility menu is given, that's fine. Without using volume buttons and even without sliding this, you can use them with this accessibility menu. That's how it is. Location is also working fine, no problem regarding that. Even while calling also, everything is working fine. Into system, into gestures, into system navigation, there is an option to increase the pill length, but there is an option to increase its height, hence it's not visible. That's how it is. If they add in the next upcoming build, that would be better. And coming to DRM info here, you will get level 1 certification, such that watching OTT application in HD resolution is not a problem. Let's see the BGMI gameplay here. Obviously you get smooth plus 90 fps if you enable that option in extras what I shown before, as you can see. And by the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button guys down below, which is in red color. Many people watching my videos but not subscribing to my channel. And also allow that bell notification by pressing the bell icon. If you press that, whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. And if you like the video, give it a like. And here we go into graphics settings. Smooth plus 90 fps has been enabled. It is like around 60 fps. You can see here live fps count on the left top side on a smartphone. And here we go into SANAC bootcamp. And I tried to flash Nusantara project latest build also. There was a problem, it is booting into recovery like boot loop. I'll try to fix it very soon, and I'll make the video tomorrow like that if I found any method to boot that. Here we go into bootcamp surpassed it. And regarding loudness also, you can see here it's loud enough, no problem even in the earpiece also while making calls like that. Even carrier aggregation is also present using mobile data connection. That's not the problem with this ROM. It's smooth enough, definitely playable. That's how it is. I knocked out. I got kill also. Let me stop this and show you the TDM. Same settings guys, again with graphics set to smooth plus 90 fps, and you can see the real-time fps count on the left side of the smartphone top side. Let's see, it was fine in SANAC also. This is really good. It's not going beyond 65. I mean below 65, not beyond, sorry. That's good. In the Evolution X yesterday what I posted video, that was going up to 55 FPS. Here it's fine compared to that particular ROM. You can see here. I'll come back. That's all guys in this video. You need to manually flash the safety net fix also, then it's going to be very good ROM. And that's all guys in this video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.